All right. Sorry for that false start there a minute ago. And now we are ready. Oh, gotta update everything. Yeah. It's that time of year, that time of the week. Windows has to update everything. So I'm waiting for some things to load up. And we should be able to get ourselves working here in a moment. Plan for the day is to get some more decentralized coding wrapped up. Get that one up there. Boom. And let's get our code box here. Just boom. Yeah. So that looks better. So yeah, what we're trying to get going today, I hope to be able to fully hook up, import a wallet, and create a brand new wallet and be able to access it. I was also going to check the stalk market in Animal Crossing real quick because I need to see if I need to sell my turnips before 10 o'clock. And I haven't kept forgetting to look into this today. So what we have going on right now is we are looking at the HTTP API interface. And this is going to be where the UI sends a request in to the backend. This is the backend side. To create a new wallet, import a wallet from the mnemonic, or import a wallet from the private key, and then return the wallet information back to the UI. And oh, hey, Sahara is visiting on Animal Crossing, if anybody wants to know. I need to figure out how to get my Switch hooked up and stream. Not that that has anything to do with Superalgos, but, you know, if wanted to know what I do in my spare time when I'm not doing Superalgos, that is one thing. Just want to see what the price is real quick. And then I'll get back to it. And we can play with some real money, or, you know, eventually. That does remind me that the market has started to go back up, and only 73 bells per turnip. Put that into my handy dandy calculator, and I think that means that I don't buy until maybe tomorrow. Yeah. We have a chance, a small or a large spike, but it looks like I may be losing money on turnips this week. That's unfortunate. Oh well. Now that that's done, I can turn this off and get back to this. So yeah, the market picked up this week, and my trading bot made a couple of trades, but nothing to actually make some money right now. I guess another thing I haven't done yet is my beer intro. Today, I was saving this one for you all, so you can't really see that. It's another little log cabin. This one's called Silent Snowfall. It's a comfy and cozy Cascade Chinook Citra, and Simcoe Spiced Oat IPA, brewed with warming spices by your friends at Little Log Cabin. And I absolutely love this. It's an IPA, but it tastes so good. I'm a big fan. And I was saving this one especially to share on the stream here. So, cheers. Tasty. All right. So what are we doing here? So I kind of mocked this up a little bit. I think this is how it's going to work. I think I can zoom in a little bit here for you all. Zoom in. That a little bit easier. And I'm going to have to turn on word wrap, make this a little bit easier to code. So if the request path coming in with an HTTP request has create new wallet, it will call this SA function, which I hope points to exactly where I want it to be. I'm not really sure if it belongs under utilities, but I put it there. So maybe that'll get refactored in the future. And it literally should, I'm guessing, create the wallet and return the wallet object. I don't think I need to JSON stringify. And then I need to figure out, I don't understand, I never fully understood why this HTTP response was in here. It didn't seem like it was a callback function, but it doesn't seem like it ever actually gets used. But anyway, then that should break. If we're importing from a mnemonic, I'm going to need to get the mnemonic out of the body of the request. Pass that into a similar function, but import the wallet from the mnemonic. And then respond with the content of the wallet. And same thing from the private key. Get the private key, parse it out of the body, call the function that creates the wallet with the private key, and then respond back with the, oh, I have an extra break. That's not good. How do I not get here? Very weird. Oh, am I missing a bracket? That might be why. Yeah, that looks better. So these functions live in not node action switch. Not that node action switch. This one? No? Yes? No, this is the one that makes the response. I'm forgetting where I was in the code. So this is what this file, these functions are what get called by the UI to make the request to the backend. Create new wallet doesn't need a body. I guess it does. No. I don't really send anything because we just want it to be brand new. And I guess I could just leave it like that. So then I get the response back. And then I will need to populate some nodes with the data. I guess I could git pull. No, I don't want to git pull upstream. What? Git branch. Branch. I guess I haven't made a branch of this yet. Ba 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 ba. This DEX wallet. So I want to run no platform and memo no browser. Just gonna get this running. Things will probably break. So I need to retrace all this code. I can't remember where I was and what I was doing. Reachable code detected. This is supposed to be in the initialize? I don't even know. I can't remember where I pulled this from. Where? Why do I have run? What was I using as a... I was using this. Profile constructor. This is happening in the UI. This is out of the governance space. And I want to do similar things, but I want to use the ethers library because I think it's a little bit more concise in terms of the code that is produced. But I am trying to kind of use that as And my wallet, my node action switch. Node action switch is what tells the UI what the buttons do on the node. I'm passing in action.node. I have a callback function. Excuse me. Name. Above. Above. No. Don't really know what I'm doing. Just winging it. Let's see. So I believe I have this part set up. I don't know what I'm trying to pull out of the body yet. Let's see. Go back. Browser real quick. What did I do? I failed to start because async function cannot be at the top level. Async functions in the top level, and this is on HT interface. Of course. So that's why I was using the then wait, then and catch. Man, I like that so much better than using the dot then. But until this is fully changed over, I'm going to have to. All right. So what this is saying, need to be equals this function. And then this is going to be a dot catch. And I can get rid of the try. And I'll get rid of this real quick. Throw that in there. And that back. And I have to do the same thing here. Here I don't need a body. So I have to do this with a then response. This. And I probably need a dot catch. This up. This is loads and loads of fun. I'm sure you all are having a lot of fun watching, copying and pasting code around, formatting. All right, so now that probably won't die, hopefully, when I start. Nope, it still didn't like it. What line is that? Where do I have? Oh, I need to have another dot then. Let's do that, and then I have to do the same thing here. Listen. Catch error goes to a function console error, and let's try that. Cool, we're running. Let's go back to our browser, reload. While this is loading, hello out there to anybody that's watching. If you have any questions, feel free to throw them out. I'll see if I can answer it for you. Um, oh, I'm doing. All right. DEX Trading Dev. All right, let's see here. I want to add a new decentralized exchange. And all right, so where do I want to import? Do I want to do it on the mnemonic node? think I was originally planning on doing it here at the actual wallet node. And then having on the response, it would then populate the mnemonic and private key, nodes. That was my intention anyway. Excuse me. Yawning. I guess one thing that I'm not clear on, if I made the request from this node, will I be able to pass that information down to these? I want the privates to secret information to be kept. I am not sure. Really don't know how this is going to work. But let's see. We put in our mnemonic. Body. A mnemonic. Oh, excuse me. Go back to our code. So the body parts, I think I basically want this to be config.mnemonic. And this would be config dot private key. And then I want this DeFi wallet to be the actual wallet object. Because I want these tokens to show basically the contents of your wallet. And the secrets would give you the information you need to back up and export and whatever, or obviously in this case, import. And I'm hoping that from here, in my new DeFi wallet, where does that show up? That shows up on the schemas, app schema. DeFi wallet.json. Add wallet tokens, add wallet secrets. I remember what this act. Let's see. Let's look down at the work that I did on these social bots. We have our schemas, app schema, the social bot command. No. Social bots. No. Slackbot. Send Slack test message, delete. Okay, so that's the name. So the action and label. Let me copy this. DeFi wallet. I think that's the node. Yeah, so I want to create a new wallet. That's my action. The label. Path test. Action project is going to be centralized X. Import wallet from Onic. And then finally, import wallet from private key. Might have to restart, but I think maybe these buttons show up now. Let's. Hey. All right, so nothing happens on any of these. Not getting any error messages. Not getting any oh, I'm not showing you what I'm doing here. There's my browser. And I have my create new wallet, import wallet from mnemonic, and import wallet from private key. And they don't do anything right now when you click them. Excuse me. No errors, no nothing. Okay, so back to our code. So these buttons seem somewhat okay right now. I don't know if that's getting through to the interface. Doesn't seem like it. Because so if I have my node action functions, happens here. So this is action name comes in. So that's where this hits. Yeah, the social bots functions then hit this. And this is what sends out the HTTP request to the backend, which is what I have going on here. My node action switch, node action functions, centralized exchange functions, create new wallet. That's what this is. I don't return anything. That might have been part of it. Don't really know. Spell response from. So I'm expecting this to return object. The body should be the node. Where's my social bots? I need the schemas. JSON stringify token channel text. Okay, so this is where I need to figure out how to get the sub payload. Channel. Let me go ask a random. I'm jumping in the Telegram and reaching out to the head honcho to see if he can explain this. What I want to know is here I'm sending in the node on my Discord send message, sending in the node, and I'm getting the token in the channel ID out of the config directly from that node. and creating a body out of it and sending that body into the HTTP API interface. But I want to be able to get node children. I guess I could search node.child. I don't know. I think I've seen that you can get parent. Node child nodes. Context menu. Sorry, I'm scratching my armpit on camera here, but I was very itchy and my skin is very dry. You have really dry skin during the winter. That's probably a little bit more information about me than what you wanted, but here we are. That's what you follow me for, right? Um, node dot f child this scan children nodes paragraph node. What property? What is this? Doc space. All in the docs. Node dot child nodes. Guess I could give that a try. Child node. No, could I find this in the docs? Oh, geez, I hate to think that this might be something that's documented. The file nodes. Nope. Node.payload. App schema. Projects. So, property check for work done label. Okay. Utilities. Change. Save config property. This is what I'm going to have to do. Change in nodes config. I'm going to have to write this. Once I return my wallet, I'm going to want to write the mnemonic and the private key, or at least the mnemonic, out so that if you create a brand new wallet, you can then retrieve that wallet somewhere else, like load it into your phone if you wanted to. Excuse me. Excuse me. How you... So I'm going to need to know this. This is going to be one of the return functions. Where's that gonna go? So this is in the UI. When I create my new wallet, I wait for my return. Going to want to write this back. Figure out where this action callback function. But this is in the UI. I'm assuming that the response is going to be the wallet. Should be type wallet object. So then I should be able to do, we could do wallet equals. Open. How do I know? Okay, so that's this node. I don't want it to be on this node. I want it to be on child. The I don't know. It's going to be node.child somehow, because if this is the wallet that's doing this, first child would be new wallet secrets. Second child would be the new wallet mnemonic. I'm looking for popular function, data storage. Hmm. No children. There is no generic children nodes property like in HTML with an array of children nodes. Instead, each property will hold these children. Each node is of a certain type. Its types define what the node can be used for. The node menu, to which other nodes it can attach to, and many other properties that are dependent on the node type at the design space. Type of node is displayed below the node icon. So how do I get node type? Which instance of a node I have their assigned name, or doesn't really matter. I guess I'm not going to be able to have the wallet object stored in the workspace as this node. That doesn't quite make sense. I don't know. Maybe it does. But then does it matter if I import? It's got to be able to import it. I don't know. Those might have children. What they do, they usually offer the user a way to create children. Right. Reference. Parent node. So this is all plan, abilities, app schema. Eh. Man, I'm already out of my beer. Very low. I don't know. I don't know if this is possible. I guess I could try to just console log it, see what happens. Um, let's see. So when I'm creating the bot, node dot shot node. Can I see what that is? Um, would be basically what I want. I don't know child payload. I don't know how I'm going to specify which child. But that's what I need. And I have my endpoint. And again, this should return the wallet. And I want to make sure, well, in this case, I don't need to private key equal node child payload. Token load config property. That's what I want to do. I want to do this. Load config payload parent node payload. Aha, thank you, Bill. Coming through with the clutch information. Scripting utilities, no config, load, config property, node, payload, parent node, payload, code name. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, I'm not showing you what I'm typing in here. So I would want to yes, given that the path to your payload exists. Okay, so node payload child. Do I need to do payload again? So if I want to go too deep, node payload code name. Where is this? Let me do a search for this. Crypto ecosystems and missing assets. Aha. Current load. Big asset payload code name. Payload. Parent node. Payload. Okay. Maybe this is doable. Let's see. Okay, so if you reference children.js, you can see child.payload examples already at the code base. Okay. Ah. No child. That was me. Child.payload. Where's this file? Add missing plugin file. That's not, maybe not quite what I want. Load space. Not quite what I want. Claims. Here's your reference children. Good idea. Just try to show you what to do. Just the breakpoint in your Chrome debugger. Let child of reference children. Node payload reference children. Not referenced by any other. Oh, that's what that reference children toggle does. No. This is perfect. Thank you, Phil. Definitely sets me off to finding exactly how I can do this. I know that I've seen parent node somewhere. It just wasn't looking exactly where. And I assume that we should be able to get child nodes. But I don't know. Let's give this a try. Yeah, I don't need plugins open anymore. I don't need UI objects. Claims. I think this is the best example to go off right now, actually. The only downside of this is generally nodes only have a single parent node. So this makes sense that you go node, payload, parent node, payload. Whereas nodes definitely could have more than one child. So just saying child doesn't necessarily reference a specific node. Node. Oh yeah, I do remember looking through all this before. If the parent node is undefined, return. If the exchange assets are undefined, return. If the parent node of the parent node is undefined, return. If the parent node of the parent node of the parent node is undefined, return. So maybe what I have to do is think about this slightly differently, where, back to the UI here. If I add my mnemonic here, then I want my button to create the wallet to be here. So I say create from mnemonic. I have my payload that has the mnemonic in it, and then I write. I don't know what I'm going to do with this wallet object that gets returned. Sorry, my ear is itchy. I don't think I can store a wallet object in a workspace item. Excuse me. I guess I could save the address here, and as long as I still have the mnemonic, when I go to run a trade, I'll have to reference the mnemonic, and the trading system will have to essentially create the object on the fly using the mnemonic. But I want to get, obviously, since Bill and a couple other people are here now, I wanted to have live updating token values underneath the wallet tokens. So essentially, this could act as your wallet. You know, you load up Trust Wallet in your phone and you see all the tokens, coins that you have and their value. I was hoping to do something similar here, where you would then have token, and it would show you the value of those tokens, or at least at the very least show you which tokens you have that are non-zero in your wallet. That was an idea. Maybe I do want to do create new wallet. Maybe I want to do create new wallet here. So it will write a mnemonic child. Oh, man, this is blowing my mind right now, trying to think about this. What happens in your phone? Let me look at a wallet. I guess this is totally different or somewhat different. So if I go into my settings in my phone, signing, I guess I do need to look into that too. Signing, transactions, connect. Oh, what I want. Wallet. Go to the recovery phrase. That's essentially what I want. But yeah, maybe I want to move these buttons. It kind of makes sense. Maybe I'll do that. Let's do that. So we'll close out of some of these. You have parent node, big property. Look at big property data payload. All right, so I have that. But I am still going to want to write once, if I create a brand new wallet, maybe I keep that on wallet secrets. Create a brand new wallet and it writes out the wallet mnemonic. Okay. I can get behind that. Context me. Get out of that. Get out of that. Wallet. So what else do I need? I need to go back to my code here. I want to get my schema. Wallets. What wallets? Secrets. So the create new wallet is going to be on the wallet secrets. And import wallet is going to go on wallet mnemonic. Wallet private key. All right, so I saved that. Fresh. I stop, and rerun. Oops, I added two. Sure did. Why aren't they spreading out? I'll have to figure that out. Oh, and it didn't delete. That's cool. I'll figure that out another time. Pin that there. Hey, there's our create new wallet button. Import our wallet from the mnemonic button. And there's our import wallet from private key button. And they are removed from the wallet. All right, so now I have a feeling this file is all messed up, but anyway. Now I can do the node payload mnemonic. And I get my mnemonic. Excuse me. I guess I don't necessarily need to... no. I don't know what to do. No, because I want to be able to reference these nodes. Like the API key. Whatever. I'll keep them separate for right now. I don't know why they need to be separate, but kind of makes sense. Big properties. How do I know? Which child? Guess I should try catch in here. Wallet never gets used. I'm doing this totally wrong. I don't know. What do I know? Not much. Throw that in. Oh, what did I do? Too much. It's too much tuna. Turn the error. Does that matter? Eh, probably not. Alright, so I saved that. This is in the UI. I have a feeling that this function is messed up. I get these utility from Not doing it. Object. Regular menu. That does nothing. Add all kinds of private keys. Hmm. There's found. Oh, yeah, there. Add missing pairs. These objects. Object to add missing. I guess that's related to the icons missing. Hmm. I don't know. I'm still at a loss. I was hoping I would at least get some errors popping up, but I've got no errors. And now I do my console log debugging. Import wallet. Oh, private key. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to go to bed shortly. All right, let's reload. Why is this? And refresh. There we go. So I don't think I'm even getting the button to do anything. Why is that not? triggering anything. I have my node action switch. Oh, line 96. System action switches. What's the difference between the node action switch and the system? Oh, I guess we don't have. So these are, this is the node action switch. I don't have a system action switch. I think is fine. But my UI node action functions. Oh. Okay, so the UI doesn't get the utilities sent over. But that should be fine. Because all I am trying to do add these breakpoints in is right now. No? Not hitting any of that. I'm not even hitting this execute action. Why not? That's pretty weird. Do I have to define these somewhere? And I do. What am because maybe I don't have. Payload action should be working. Here's my app schemas. Decentralized exchange. Payload execute action. Import wallet from mnemonic. And I should hit the action switch. Function. Yeah. So yeah, this, as far as I can tell, this should work. Import wallet from mnemonic. Centralized changes. Node action functions. Decentralized exchanges functions. Right, no wallet. But it's not even getting to this point. It's not even. I am lost. Wait, new foundations function library. Oh, well, that's named wrong. Not foundations function library. So, new social bots function library. Social bots functions. New decentralized exchanges function library. All right, so maybe that is one thing that was effed up. But doesn't seem like it. Barely. Going to freaking reload. Running. And why is this taking so long? And now it's not even loading. Well, that's cool. I broke it. Thomas. Reference error. Foundations function. So is the workspace messed up? Why is this saying foundations functions? I know that that's how I had it. Canvas 167. Oh, project schema function name. Ah, I did. They copy it in as that. Property name, decentralized exchanges, functions, function, system action functions. Can I just delete that? Function libraries. Module. So I do think I need to put some stuff under SA. Hmm. Bot module. Because that is the Say bot modules, Discord bots. What did I do here? I had SA utilities wallets. So let me copy this. Here, utilities, DK, utilities. Function like bot modules. Definitely don't have. I think I'm gonna need bot modules there. Functions, function libraries. Find another function. Much more what I need. Wallets, property name, wallet, and centralized changes. Think like that. What? What did I do? Yes. Undefined. But I have it here. SA decentralized exchanges. SA utilities undefined. Not wallets. .js. Why did that not work? Utilities. Name is wallet. Property. New. Centralized exchanges. Utilities. Wallet. Function. Same name. Why are you failing? Module not found. Why is it coming up as undefined? Alright, I've only got a couple more minutes of me, and I'm gonna have to give up for the night. Why are you complaining about not finding the module? Why are you coming up as undefined? List the hash or dictionary. File name, GitHub storage.js. Add the file name onto it. GitHub storage. Put it as a module. Work interface. But 100 modules? Maybe I want it under modules instead of utilities. Maybe? Maybe I want it as a module. Um, so you'll- maybe I want to edit file name. Function library under I mean, I guess... I don't know. Probably don't want these itself. Making any sense or not? Well, hey, it seems to be running. No errors. Hey, it loaded. I fixed something. Hey. Paused on breakpoint. Line 26. Or from mnemonic. I see no error. But I should have an error. Well, that is something. And at least there I get to the create new wallet. And I get into the create new wallet. And then it fails. Okay. Well, it's something. At least the button gets you somewhere. So you hit your node action switch. Get into the functions. Node.payload. See, we have parent node. We have num. What? Oh, huh? Oh, wait, here. The node is new wallet mnemonic. Parent node is new wallet secrets. Uh-huh. Oh, that's really interesting. Oh, you're not even... Sorry. So what I was looking at is this, which is very, very... Can't zoom in. I don't know how. So I found that there is node and parent node. I do not see child node. Parent node again. There's no children. Oh, come on. Parent node again. That's weird. It seems like this is extremely recursive. You have node, payload, node, payload, node, payload, node, payload, node. Big property. But anyway, I did see there's node, config, mnemonic. Chain. So it looks like you can go up to the parent node. It's also funny, there's mnemonics and keys. No keys or mnemonics, because those are the two node types. I want to say that there should only be one per wallet. Need to fix that. I'll figure out how to do that another time. But anyway, you get node config and mnemonic. So this should, after we step forward again, get my mnemonic passphrase, step forward again, centralized exchanges, my body, and then it fails. And I console log error, but nothing happens. So I get my HTTP request async, body endpoint. All right, so what do I want to do now? So saw that I got the HTTP interface. But then I didn't hit any of these. DEX. What was I sending? Oh, well, that's why. I want to make DEX. That makes more sense. All right, so reload. Take these breakpoints out for now. Lost in the debugger. Cannot play. Hey, importing wallet from mnemonic. Cannot read HTTP interface JS 272.90. $272 here. Oh, because it's what we wanted. I don't know. I fixed it. Modules. Come on, man, it's already after 11. Shoot. And get an error. Say projects, decentralized exchanges, modules, wallets, import wallet. from mnemonic. I need to figure this out. All right, so I have to fix all these references, and I'm not getting anywhere right now, so I'm going to have to call it a night, and I will pick this up another day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Check out Superalgos everywhere. Twitter. What else? Telegram. There's several Telegram channels. Discord. I think there's Facebook groups. The website, there's a demo website. Make sure you check out demo.superalgos.com.org. Superalgos.org, yeah. What else? Follow me, like and subscribe. I'll have this video up on YouTube tomorrow, probably. And follow me on Twitter. Send out updates when I get updates that are worth sending out. And that's about it. Have a good night. And I will catch you on the flippy floppy. See ya.